Are you ready to get out of here? Are you ready to get out? Yes, you are. You're a good engine. Good engine. You're ready to get out of here, aren't you? Don't you worry. I'm going to break you out, young lady. I'm going to break you out. Oh, baby. There you are. Don't worry. Come this way. Come on. Come on. Right where you need to belong. Right here. Oh, yeah. This one's a 15 millimeter. I'm going to cut my fingers off doing this way. Cool. These are loose. She's free! Yeah.